Let me try one of these.
This rib is so distracting. Are you, look at your studio audience. Get over here and take a bite.
These are really good.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. Today we are backyard barbecuing. It is beautiful and breezy today, and we are making beef baby back ribs. So the first thing that we're going to do, now I know it sounds funny, but I'm using my Instapot. We are going to cook the ribs for 25 minutes on high, and then I'm going to take them out, finish them off on the barbecue to get them nice, crispy, and golden. First, we're going to add 1 cup of apple juice. My tip is to put whatever you want, whatever liquid you want into the pot first, and that is going to flavor the meat. We're also going to do a rub. For our rub, we're going to put sugar. Paprika, some salt and pepper, garlic powder. Gotta be careful it doesn't blow away on us. Some mustard powder and some powdered ginger. You're gonna go ahead, stir this up. Now what we're going to do to prepare these is we're going to do them a day ahead. You could do it up to 4 to 6 hours ahead and put them in the fridge, but we did ours a day ahead, put them in the fridge, took them out. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Look at this color. Doesn't that look good? So we have 2 humongous slabs of meat. Look at that baby. Can you see that? And we're gonna go ahead by scooping it on. Make sure it doesn't blow away on you. All right, so that's about a third of it. You wanna rub it in. We're gonna do it with both sides. Wrap it in tin foil, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge. And it is gonna come out looking like, let me get this out of the way. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Yeah? So a little tip, I put the apple juice in here. I'm gonna add a little bit, save a little bit for your liquid. Sprinkle it in, stir it up. Then you're gonna have your trivet. You're gonna put the trivet in, and then we're gonna take the ribs and we're gonna make it into a circle, put the lid on, cook it for 25 minutes. They're going to be fall off the bone delicious, just like this. So you can see it's in a circular shape. You could fit 2, so I could put the other one in there too, but I'm just doing it so I could show you. You're gonna put the lid on. Make sure you seal it. Set it for 25 minutes on high. When you're done, you're gonna let it set for 15 minutes to naturally release. We're gonna take it out, put some barbecue sauce on it, heat it up in the Traeger barbecue for another 15 minutes, fall off the bone perfect. So I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so you can see that I took off the ribs. I went ahead and put your favorite barbecue sauce. Just go ahead and baste both sides, whatever you like. Put it on the Traeger at 350 for about 10-15 minutes just to get the glaze nice and heated. And we're gonna go ahead and give it a cut. Oh boy, they're super hot. super tender. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try to pick one of these up. And I'm gonna give it a bite. I'm gonna do it for you guys, because you know, it's hot. Here we go. I didn't bring a napkin, so I'm gonna be a messy face. They're delicious. Fall off the bone, tender, melt in your mouth. They're so delicious. I hope you try it. Let me just remind you, whatever your liquid you put in the Instapot, the flavor comes through the meat. So it is sweet and tasty. If you like this video and you like this recipe, please comment, hit your notifications, and subscribe to our channel. Let me know what you think. Thank you for hanging out with us in our beautiful backyard, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Be kind to each other.